Okay, this is enlargement. This means to make the shape larger, sometimes smaller as well. It depends on the scale factor. Usually we're making it larger. In this case here, scale factor 2. So we're making the shape twice as big. Now notice, they've just got the shape. Okay, there's no mention here of center of enlargement. So in this particular case, it's really easy. You can put the shape wherever you want. Okay, you literally put it wherever you want, as long as it fits on the grid. Okay. If you draw your shape and it doesn't fit on the grid, you need to start again. Alright, you need to start again, so use a pencil and you'll get it right then. Now all you've got to do is look at the length here. So that length there is horizontal and it's one square across. So when you scale factor 2, we're going to just double that, aren't we? So maybe I'll draw it there. Okay, so I'm going from 1 square and I'm making it 2 squares there. If we look at the vertical drop here, that's 2 squares. So when this scale factor 2, I'm going to double that, so I get 4 squares. Okay, so I'm going from 2 here, and then make 4 squares going down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you check it, just in case, because if you do 1 too much, you're going to lose marks. So I've got the horizontal, I've got the vertical. Trickier bits is doing these sort of diagonals here. You have to get the diagonals right. Okay. Now the key to doing this, right, the really easy way is just to focus on the corner points. Okay. Focus on the corner points. Let's do this side to start with. Think, what do you do to get from here to here? Of course, you're going to go across 2, down 4. Now if we scale factor 2, you've just got to double that. So instead of across 2, down 4, you're going to go across 4 and down 8. So you double it. So across 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I've got there. Alright, let's just double check out that is 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. So I can join these up. And of course my last side is done for me. I just need to join them up. Of course I could check to see if that rule works here. To get from here to here, I've got to go down 2 across 3. So if I double it, I've got to go down 4 across 6. So let's go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go across 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brilliant. Okay, it works. I've done it right. So there's my enlarged shape. Scale factor 2. Now in the next question, it does matter where you put your enlarged shape. Okay, it really does matter. It's so important. Okay, it does say scale factor 3, so everything's getting 3 times bigger. Okay, so in other words, that side there, because it's already of length 3, the new shape is going to be triple that, so it's going to be 9. But it's important where I put it. So again, just focus on the corner points. Let's do that corner point to start with. Okay. Now, in this case now, because we've got a center, because that's our center of enlargement, you just got to think, well, what do I do to get from A to that point there? I've got to go across 1, down 1. Well, seeing as A is still going to be our center, okay, instead of now going across 1, down 1, I'm going to triple that. So I'm going to, instead of going across 1, down 1, I'm going to go across 3 and down 3. So my new point actually is going to be there. Okay. So that corner point there ends up moving to here. If you didn't quite understand that, I'll do it now on the next point, this corner point here. Okay. Now to get from A to here, you've got to go down 1 across 4. Okay. So of course if we triple that, instead of going down 1, we'll go down 3. Instead of going across 4, we'll go across 12, isn't it? So down 3 across 12. Okay. So down 3 will be down 3 across 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So I end up being there. The other way of doing it, you know, which might help you, is going down to get to there. You're going down 1 across 4, aren't you? Well, because we're tripling it, you could go 3 journeys of that. So you could go down 1 across 4, down 1 across 4, down 1 across 4, get your answer. Okay, so we've got our top line drawn there. Top line drawn. If you count across, that is 9 squares. And to get to there, you've got to go down 4 across 1. So triple it, you're going to go down 12 and across, instead of going across 1, you go across 3. So end up there. Line that up. And you notice now that length is also being tripled. That length is 9. Now, it's up to you how you do this. You could now, that corner point, you could use the same rule. You've got to go down 4 across 2, so you triple it, so you go down 12 across 6. Or what you can do, if the shape is nice like this one, now you've got 2 sides, you can actually work out what the other sides are going to be. So when you think about it, that side there is of length 1, so we can triple it. It'll be length 3. This vertical here is of length 1, so we triple it from here. Be length 3. Again, we've got a horizontal here of 1, so we're going to go across 3. And then to finish off then the last side, we just got to join them up, haven't we? We've got our enlarged shape. Okay. Now B, in this case here, we've got our enlargement, we've got our centre inside the shape. Now that's okay, that doesn't really matter, okay? Again, you focus on the corner points. Let's do that one to start with. To get from B to here, you've got to go across 2 up 2. Okay, so if we're going to do scale factor 2, instead of going across 2 up 2, we're going to go across 4 and up 4. So we can end up there. So that corner point's done. Let's do this corner point. Down 1 across 2, so double it, you go down 2 across 4, so you end up there. This one's easy because you just got to go down 1, so if we double that, go down 2, so you end up there. And that corner point, you've got to go across 2, up 3. Okay, so you double that, you go across 4 and up 6, so you end up there. So join those corner points. You've got your enlargement, and it sort of encompasses the original shape. Okay, number 4, it says enlarge the rectangle here by scale factor half. Now this is an instance where I mentioned before where the shape can actually get smaller. Okay, you know it says enlarge. It can get smaller if the scale factor is a fraction. Now the centre here is O, alright? So all you've got to do, right, again, work out what you're doing to get from O to each corner point. So in this case, to get S, you've got to go across 6, up 6. So because the scale factor half, we're going to halve it. So instead of going across 6, up 6, we're going to halve it. We're going to go across 3 and up 3. We end up there. Same with P. To get from O, we go across 6, up 10. So you halve it. You go across 3 and up 5. So you end up there. R, you go across 12, up 6. So you halve it. You go across 6 and up 3. You can see how it's rectangle forming now. In fact, that last line, that last part we can actually do, can't we? Okay. And you've got a shape that is half the size. Okay, the lengths have been reduced by half. And there's our answer. Last one again looks similar to the one we did earlier, but this time again is scale factor half. So a shape will actually probably be inside here now, you'll notice. So to get from B to here, you've got to go down 2. So if we're halving it, you're only going to go down 1. To get from B to here, you've got to go down 2 across 4. If we're halving it, you're going to go down 1 across 2. To get from B to here, you've got to go back 4, up 4. So you're going to halve it, you're going to go back 2, up 2. And there. And to get from B to here, you've got to go across 4, up 6. So you're going to halve it, you're going to go across 2, and up 3, you're going to end up there. It's actually inside the shape. got our enlargement, the shape has got smaller. You very rarely get questions like this. It's important to know what to do when the scale factor is a fraction.